Welcome to Madhukar. Today I'm going to take you through products ranging from 1000 to 1500. Titanium pressure cooker 3 liters, Imperi cast iron flat tawa 300, Deluxe pressure cooker outer lid 5 liters, 1.5 liter multi-purpose kettle 3-in-1 value pack, Inox pressure cooker 3 liters stainless steel, Swift Plus multi-cook kettle 1.5 liters available in two colors, one is blue, one is pink, Titanium handi pressure cooker 2 liters, Imperi cast iron kadai 200, Imperi cast iron kadai 240, rice cooker Joy single pot 0.6 liters, Elite Shine 3 ply cooker 2 liters, Joy rice cooker single pot 1 liter, steam iron 2400 watts black, Inox Pro pressure cooker stainless steel 3 liters, rice cooker Joy double pot 0.6 liters, Titanium handi pressure cooker 3 liters, NutriMaster 2 jars, oven toaster 9 liters, air turbo vacuum cleaner 600 watts, 2.5 liters multi cooker with steamer, rice cooker Joy single pot 1.8 liters, rice cooker Ruby single pot 1.8 liters, rice cooker Joy double pot 1 liter, Stella Touch induction cooktop, Deluxe pressure cooker 7.5 liters outer lid, Inox pressure cooker 5 liters stainless steel, NutriMaster 3 jars, Titanium pressure cooker 5 liter hard anodized, XLR mixer grinder 3 jars 550 watts, induction cooktop Brio, Maxima stainless steel LPG stove 2 burner, Inox stainless steel single pot rice cooker 1 liter, Elite Shine tri-ply cooker 5 liters, Inox Pro stainless steel cooker 5 liters. If you want to give such products to your customers, clients and guests, feel free to contact me on this number. Stay tuned for further gifting product categories.